Hi everybody. I wanted to show you another way that I particularly store my stuff. These are stencils. Stencils are something that can be cumbersome. It can be I found hard to store because they're kind of delicate. You don't want to kind of, break some pieces off and so forth. I tried different manners, different ways. This to me is the easiest way. It's just an old, as you can tell, I don't have that many, but I do have enough. You could get a bigger binder if you have a lot more than this. I find it very handy, not very clean at this point because I use it for mixed media too. I just have stencils written on the side here, and I've put it away like this on my shelf, and it's out of the way and doesn't take too much room. Okay, so what I do for my small ones, is I have the smaller pockets, Avery pockets, and what I have done is I have cut like a U shape so it's easy to pull in and pull out. And I find that works very well for me. You can tell I have them all, different ones, small, big ones, but they're easier to grab onto. And these are some that I've cut out myself in the with my cry cut. And the big ones I use the 8.5 by 11. And to me it works really well because if I want to pull them out, I don't have to start sticking my hand right in them. And some I've washed, some I don't, some I've used with, if it's just paint, sometimes I'll just wipe it off. But if it is a mixed medium as in a paste, a textured paste or whatever, then I do wipe them off if I want to use them again because it won't be all that great. And what I have, I have different ones that I use. Like you can tell this has been used and abused, I guess, but it still works. These are little ones. Where am I going with this? I want to show you also, I am a quilter, and I haven't quilted for a while, though, quite a while. But what I had at one time, what we used to use, and a lot of them probably still use it, it's just that a lot of them have the machines now and so forth. So hand quilting is not something that is as popular. But that's what made the quilts really expensive. Although machine quilting is very, very good too. It's a lot tighter than what you could do in hand quilting, but this is not a quilting tutorial, so we'll leave it at that. And what I've done is these are all my quilting. I've added them all in one bag, but they're all my quilting, and I just can't throw them out because there are some beautiful patterns that I know I will be able to use. And I just had an envelope here, actually, that had a stencil in it, and I just added my stencils in there because there are so many nice swirls and whatever, and I may get one day a rush to do something like that, and that's what I want to do. Another one that I've cut apart is the wood grain for me to be able to use it different ways, and I love it. I really do. So I thought I'd show you that because I find it helpful, useful, and hopefully it'll work for you guys. 8.5 album, guys, and just some page protectors in different sizes, and voila is how I store all my stencils. Have a great day. Hope it's helpful. This is Yvonne, and I'm signing off. Have a creative day.